Continuing our week, cruisers, we welcome you back and thank you for joining a further 3 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. Carnival fans, big breakfast news as of November the 17th. Carnival is rolling out its new Bagels at Sea bar across more ships after first popping up on Carnival Panorama earlier this month. Right now it's already on Carnival Conquest, Dream, Firenze, Horizon, Jubilee, Magic and Panorama, and Carnival says the whole fun ship fleet should have it by the end of the year. Brand ambassador John Heald even shared a peek from Carnival Magic during a sea sailing, and people are loving it, especially that rainbow bagel. Well, the only gripe, no gluten-free bagel yet. But hey, customizable spreads, lock sandwiches, and with no extra charge, yes, I'm in. Here's the tea from Germany on November the 17th. Now, the iconic Queen Mary 2 was supposed to roll into Hamburg, but instead had to pull a hard detour into Bremerhaven thanks to a busted propulsion pod. Guests actually got the heads up 2 days ago, but still big vibe shift there. The ship's next sailing, that quick 2-night hop back to Southampton, is officially cancelled, and everyone who is supposed to get off in Hamburg now gets a 2-hour bus ride. The real question? Well, whether the November 19th transatlantic crossing is still happening. A wild moment out of Nassau on November the 16th. A passenger somehow slipped off the pier right next to the Norwegian Encore, which had made an unexpected stop in Nassau after skipping Great Stirrup Cay due to rough waves. Now this guest ends up in the water between the ship and the pier, literally the last place you want to be. Crew members jumped into action, dropped the ladder and had him out in minutes. It happened quickly, with no injuries, but it was a serious ego check. The ship had sailed out of Miami on November the 15th for a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise, but nobody expected this detour. Passengers definitely got more drama than expected. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.